Hi guys! I'm going to do the Guillaume and hope you like it. Thanks for watching guys, hope you like it, and please subscribe me and like this video. Bye! And don't forget, click the full video or you can search it.